Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into Claremont in St. Anne. We just went through Golden Grove, and actually we went from Monique to Golden Grove, and we're going to continue going up to Claremont. So as you can see, this is like rural Jamaica, or what some people would say country. You're not going to find much development out here, but what you'll find is a lot of farms. Acres upon acres of farms, very large farms. This is prime farmland. Now back in the day, this area of Claremont was what you'd say a rich people area, aristocratic area. You find a lot of great houses, and then with the great house you have acres upon acres of land. So that's basically what Claremont was used for back in the day. Claremont has a little small town now, but it's more of a pass-through town where people stop on their way to, say, Brownstone or back down to Ocho. The trucks can't go through Fern Gully, so for the trucks to enter Ocho or the North Coast coming from Kingston, you either have to go on the highway and pay a heavy toll because the trucks will be class 3, or they could take these roads and bypass Fern Gully and enter. Okay, we're actually entering Claremont now. We just saw the sign, so this is the Claremont area. So if the trucks don't want to use the highway, they would take these roads and enter the Northern Coastal Highway or the North Coast from this end. As you're going to see a lot of nice homes, because Claremont was more of a farming area, and it has a lot of great houses from back in the day. Even today, you don't find a lot of factories and things up here. Well, one, because of the roads, and two, you're very far from the main road. But you find a lot of homes and a lot of farms. And it also leads to Brownstone, which is a major town in St. Anne. I'm not sure why they have up these orange flags. It's for the political party, but unless they had them, no, they would have taken them down since the last election. I'm not sure why. Really, I'm not sure why. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below, because there is no, the next general election is years away. Okay, now we're going through an area called Fern Court, and on the right is the Fern Court High School, but it's in Claremont, I should say. But the name of the school is Fern Court. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica. Very popular school. Okay, the capital of St. Anne is St. Anne's Bay, but Brownstone is, some people refer to it as the capital because it's probably the busiest part of St. Anne. And outside of Ocho Rios, it probably has the largest population. But this is Claremont, and you pass through Claremont to get to Brownstone. Said you see a lot of churches everywhere in Jamaica, every town, every district, every area. Okay, there are so many flags. Very strange. Okay, on the right is the political office for the MP up here. Well, we're not going into the politics. Okay, straight ahead is the clock. Now, remember, these towns were built or developed during the times of the British rule in Jamaica. I think we should have gone left around that clock, and I don't know. So most of these towns, districts, they all have these clocks which are symbolic of the English rule in Jamaica. So basically this is the main street in Claremont. The street has all the activity. On the left coming up is the Claremont Bus Park or Transport Center. That's where you get the taxis to go, taxis and buses to go around the parish or anywhere in Jamaica basically. As you can see, it's a very small town, more a residential town. The town probably just accommodates the residential persons that live around it. No major factory or anything. The major industry here is farming. Alright, so we're going to turn around and take another drive through. And on the outskirts of Claremont is a lot of residential areas. The gas here is $241 for low sulfur, which probably is reasonable, but there are some gas stations in Kingston, practically next door to the refinery, that sell ultra low sulfur for $250. There is even one where I've seen $270 in Kingston, in Harbourview, for ultra low sulfur diesel. That's the gas we use, so that's the price we are familiar with. Okay, on the right is a hardware store. As you can see, there are no hotels or nothing like what you would see on the north coast up here. This is more the rural part of St. Anne. They have a police station, probably a post office. That's probably about it in terms of infrastructure. There's a pharmacy, a variety store. Okay, on the left is the police station. I think you're supposed to do this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.